Hi there, welcome to new video lecture. So in previous video you have learned about how to use the push button as a digital input to the Arduino. So in this video you are going to learn about how to control the buzzer using the push button. Also instead of buzzer you can able to control any actuator by using the push button. Now we wanted to read the push button output. So here we are using the serial monitor to show the push button output. Also here I have used the multimeter to show that the push button is connecting the power to the digital pin 2. So we'll see that 5 volt is get connected to the digital pin 2 of the Arduino. Start the simulation of the project. So let's go to the code. As you can see, the code is bit different. So let's click on serial monitor. Whenever I click on the push button, let's see the multimeter and the serial monitor output. So I'll click. Now you can see the output is almost 5 volt. And let's check the serial monitor now. It's 1. Now in binary 1 means 5 volt. Now we will build this circuit from the scratch. Now let's add the Arduino with breadboard. Now add the push button here, LED, and the current limiting resistor. So one more component that we want to control by using push button here is buzzer. So let's add the buzzer. Now take the multimeter to show the digital input. So let's do the connection. So first select the resistor value to 270 ohm. And then connect it to the ground. So this is the cathode terminal of the LED. Okay. So now let's connect the anode terminal of the LED to the digital pin 8 of the Arduino. Now for wiring the switch properly, connect the any two legs diagonally. Connect the push button 1 terminal to the 5 volts. And 1 terminal to the Arduino pin. So let's connect it to the digital pin 2 of an Arduino. Now we know that when the button is pressed, electrical connection is made between the power, that is 5 volt, and the Arduino. And we also need to add the pull down resistor. Add the pull down resistor and connect it to the ground. Let's take its value to 10 kilo ohm so that current follows the least resistance path, because we have taken the resistance values so high that current will not follow this path. So now we'll do the connection for buzzer. So buzzer has two terminals, one is positive and one is negative. So we'll do the connection. So connect positive terminal to the pin number 9 and connect the negative to the ground of the Arduino. So we have connected buzzer. Now we need to connect the voltmeter. So voltmeter has two terminals, negative and positive. So let's connect negative to the ground of the Arduino. Now we wanted to read the digital input given by the push button. So let's connect this positive terminal to the push button. Change wire color to red as its positive terminal. So we have done with the connection. It's pretty much simple. Now let's go to the code. As we wanted to turn on the LED whenever we press the button, Then we need to use the conditional statement. So go to the control block and take out the if then else block. And go to the maths and take out the comparator operator and put it inside the if then else block. Select equal to. If digital pin, that is pin number 2, is high. What does it mean? If digital pin 2 is high, that means button is pressed, then we need to turn on the buzzer as well as LED. So buzzer and LED is output device. So go to the output block and take set pin 0 to high. We need 2 blocks, one for LED and one for buzzer. So LED is connected to the pin number 8 and buzzer is connected to the pin number 9. Duplicate these 2 blocks. Put it inside the else block. Select here low. And also one more thing, we wanted to print the digital input values on the serial monitor. So go to the output and select print to serial monitor. And instead of hello world, just print the input value. So that is read digital pin 2. Now open the serial monitor. And now we'll click on the start simulation and we'll see project in action. Whenever I press the push button, it should give me 5 volt on the voltmeter reading, and on the serial monitor it should give me 1 as a binary value. So whenever I press the push button, the voltmeter reading is 5 volt and the serial monitor reading is 1. It's in binary. So you can use the push button to turn on and off the electrical devices. So this is all about the digital input by using push button. So see you in the next video.